Lakad lang po kami dito sa sa kung saan nakatira yung mami niya. So sa village. Nane.
Yeah. Nice village.
Nice village.
Most people are indoors because it's cold and still kind of early.
No, it's not that cold today. What is this? Oh, look.
It's poisonous.
What?
Don't eat it.
I thought don't touch it also.
You'll be alright to touch it, just don't eat it.
I know. I'm not a bird, honey.
Yeah, but you can still eat berries.
Huh?
You can still eat berries. Berries are fine.
Yeah, but not, I know.
Don't like my glasses, huh? There you go.
So, here.
Whoosh.
What?
I said, where you go?
We're here. I said, not where I live. Walking.
Walking in the village.
Good morning.
Then walk on slowly.
I like the rose. Nay.
Oh, what? The flowers?
Yeah, flowers.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. Look. See? I like it. There's those people there.
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe
Oh,
not
no
right
birds.
now, but people living in houses, yeah.
Yeah.
You're right.
Why do you have clock like that? Is that
Looks good.
Is that automatic?
I don't. No, it's not automatic. It's manual. You got hiccups. It's to scare you, no?
Huh?
I'll have to scare you. Get rid of your hiccups.
Ay, yan. What was bird?
Oh, on the bird feeders.
Mahika.
No, it didn't work, did it? No.
The bird.
I'm more interested in your camera.
Huh?
I'll have to get you some water.
Yeah. We have to go back then.
Oh, there we go.
Hold this.
Try holding your breath.
Huh?
Try holding your breath. And your nose. No, don't open your mouth. Keep your mouth shut and hold your nose. No, keep doing it. Just don't just do it once.
I will open my mouth.
No, don't open your mouth. Stop. Put that. No, hold your breath. Don't let it out. Hold your nose. Stop. Now again. And again.
What?
No, that was like 10 seconds. Come on.
10?
Yeah, you gotta hold it for like a minute. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Come on, keep holding that. You can do better than that. Come on. Don't let any air in. Again.
I can breathe.
That's the point. To stop you hiccuping. And again. 1 minute. Go on. It's 5 seconds. Come on, you gotta keep going. Another 20 seconds. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nearly there. Nearly there. Now again. Straight away.
Huh?
Straight away. And again, another minute. Halfway. Nearly there. Come on, you can do it. That should help. That should help. Or not.
Huh?
You've got really stubborn hiccups.
I think it's a
A little bit, maybe. Yeah, your hiccups are terrible. Never mind. We'll get you some water when we go home. Maybe walking will help.
It's too loud.
Super loud. It's like you've been drinking fizzy drinks all day.
Something like that. Ay, guys.
You're getting shy now.
Huh?
Shy. It's still getting worse. You're just pretty, aren't you?
Really?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Hiccup par na honey.
Pick a pan up. What's that? Oh, they're nice.
You can eat that. Huh?
Poison.
Poison. Okay. It's too loud.
I've never heard you have hiccups like this before.
Huh?
I've never heard you have hiccups.
Seeds of rose, this one.
Fruits more than seeds.
Ah, fruits. Sorry. Course. Hiccup.
I need to get you some water.
Church here.
It's
Or
very
most,
nice.
yeah. Mostly like that.
It's not
This-
Catholic. It's just normal church.
Normal Church of England. For you.
I'm not sure if it's Church of England. Might be.
Some besides is always having a, what is it called, honey?
A graveyard.
Graveyard. See?
Place of the dead.
Yeah. See, nice tadihan. Look, the sky.
Nice and blue.
Yeah. My hiccup is not nice.
Your hiccup.
Hi. Hello.
You got it.
Nice cat. Got the church here.